What up, guys? We have a 2020 F250 here with a P0456 small EVAP leak detected. We're gonna get straight to it and show you exactly what I found. First off, we got a scan tool connected here, and the EVAP canister vent valve, as you can see, is off. I have my smoke machine hooked up here, and as you can see, we've got a leak. I have the smoke running into the purge line up top here, and that's where we're pumping the smoke in. So we're gonna go underneath the truck and I'm gonna show you exactly where this is leaking at. So we're underneath the truck here. Coming in on the driver's side, you can probably hear that hissing already. I could smell the gas fumes when I first started this diagnosis. And if you look close, you can see the smoke coming out there. So we'll take a peek up in here. I'll show you the video clip of when I ran this test without the smoke. My little smoke machine overheated, so I had to let it cool down, but I found it by spraying water around this area. But as you can see, there's our leak right there. Now, yes, I did slide that line back a little bit. So yes, that is backed off partially. I wanted to see if it was a line or if it was a tank, and it is a tank. So right where I'm shining my flashlight right here, underneath where this little little plastic piece comes off the fuel tank, you can kind of see it bubble in there a little bit. There we go. That's cracked, and that's where it's leaking. Unfortunately, the bad news is this whole fuel tank has to be replaced to fix that leak, because that little piece is molded into the plastic part of the, it's plastic and it's molded into the tank. You can't just replace it. You got to replace the entire fuel tank. Anyway, I did a lot of research and couldn't really find anything on this issue. I found this, and as always, I thought I'd share it with you all. Hopefully this helps you out if you have the same issue with your truck. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So here are the old and the new fuel tanks. Thought I'd show you guys what this looks like out of the truck and what Ford did to fix this. So the problem area right here, you can kind of see that crack there. It's a little hard to see, but it's cracked right around this area here. And then that's where we're getting our leak. Now, if you look at the new fuel tank, you can see they fixed this by adding a little bit of plastic molding there to support this part here. So you can see how there's a plastic molding there supporting that. That's where this was cracking. So it's nice to know that they did fix it. It's just a shame that it takes a $1,000 fuel tank because this is not serviced separately. So anyway, that's where these crack and leak. I thought that was kind of interesting. I'm going to transfer the fuel pump over here from the old tank to the new one, throw her back in, and should be good to go.